Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. What if you had to fight someone just as strong as you, but way more dangerous? What if your own suit had a dark secret? Well, today, we're telling the epic story of Spider-Man versus Venom. Who do you think will win? Let's find out. A long time ago, Spider-Man was just a friendly neighborhood hero, swinging through the city, stopping bad guys, and saving the day. But one night, something very strange happened. A black, gooey alien fell from space. It was a symbiote, a living creature that could stick to people and give them superpowers. When it found Spider-Man, it covered his suit and turned it black. At first, Spider-Man thought, "Whoa, this suit is amazing. It makes me stronger and faster." But soon he realized something wasn't right. The suit made him angry, mean, and too powerful. So Spider-Man ripped it off before it could control him. But guess what? The black suit wasn't done yet. The symbiote found a new host, Eddie Brock. Eddie was mad at Spider-Man and full of rage. When the black goo covered him, something terrifying happened. Boom! He transformed into Venom. With a huge, sharp-toothed mouth, a long, scary tongue, and claws like a monster. He had all of Spider-Man's powers, but he was much more dangerous. Venom had one mission: defeat Spider-Man. One night, Spider-Man was swinging through the city when, whoosh, a giant black figure leaped out of the shadows. It was Venom. "You got rid of me, Spider-Man, but now I'm back," Venom growled. Venom attacked with super strength. Spider-Man dodged with super speed. Venom tried to trap Spider-Man in a web, but Spider-Man flipped away just in time. Venom was getting stronger, but Spider-Man had a plan. He remembered that the symbiote hated loud noises. Quickly, Spider-Man found a giant bell and rang it as loud as he could. Venom screamed and the symbiote started shaking. No! It couldn't handle the sound. Spider-Man used this chance to defeat Venom once and for all. Venom ran away, but Spider-Man knew he would be back. Venom might be scary, but sometimes he fights the really bad guys too. Did you know? Sometimes Venom even becomes a hero. He has teamed up with Spider-Man to stop bigger villains. So what do you think, kids? Who is the strongest, Spider-Man or Venom? Bye for now. See you next time.